Here you go.
So me too. It's not right now. And Dad bought another box in just like minutes, and then I get home, I'll tell you the story of that Sam Bradford. 07 Top Shelf That's Football. Couldn't find online. This will do. Alright. 2 packs, 2 hits. Never opened 07. Later I'll be doing a tour of this place, and I met Tyson there, so that's awesome. What up, Tyson? First time opening 07 Triple Threads. Same with, I've never opened National Treasures ever. And later, you might be seeing me open a box of Nini basketball shit. Oh crap, hurt. I got 2 packs, 2 hits, live from Baltimore. This has been probably sitting out for a while, since 2007. And you can't see there, that's the booth from Leaf is Back. Leaf is Back.
I never.
Okay. So pretty much, I'm going to try to pick this up. It's been so long since I posted anything. What card? Peyton Manning based on top, that's already cool. Alright. Chad Johnson before Ocho Cinco, 630. Jim Brown, more of him, 639.
Okay.
Wait, no, the Ocho Cinco was 639 too. T.O., 1449. Peyton Manning, 1449, that's cool. Jeremy Shockey, 1449. And the hit is triple jersey, Julius Peppers, Tony Gonzalez, and Antonio Gates, and 23 of 27.
It's a big tight ends. All right.
Julius Peppers isn't. Peppers is a D. Oh, NC State. Oh, NCAA. Is that a basketball?
All right. You want me to cut and then start another one? You're just going to keep going?
Back to. How much time? On it? How long?
2 minutes, 41 seconds.
Okay. Way good.
You got that suit.
The other way. Oh my gosh, it was like this. Mojo. No booklets, even though there's like, it's extremely rare to get a booklet. 07. Come on, something sick. Hasselback, 639. Sean Alexander to 199. Alex Smith, 1449. Angela Williams, 1449. Ted Pennington, 1449. And the autograph is Chancey Stuckey out of 89.
Yeah. Okay. Oh well.
Alright, that's it, guys. Peace out. More box.